If you're wondering how to connect GetResponse with PayPal, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we're going to walk through the process step by step, and I'll even share some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have both a GetResponse and PayPal account ready. If you haven't signed up for either, go ahead and do that now. You'll need both accounts to link them properly. Next thing, log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Integrations section. You can find it by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner and selecting Integrations. This is where GetResponse keeps all its connected apps. Now, look for PayPal in the integration options. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top of the Integrations page. Once you find PayPal, click the Connect button. This will prompt you to log into your PayPal account, where you'll need to grant GetResponse the permissions to connect. After you've logged into PayPal, you'll be redirected back to GetResponse, and the connection will be made. You'll now be able to use PayPal as a payment option for your GetResponse forms and landing pages. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that when you connect PayPal to GetResponse, it's primarily used for collecting payments through your forms or order forms, not for managing PayPal subscriptions directly through the platform. You'll have to manage recurring billing or subscriptions directly through PayPal. Now that you know how to connect GetResponse with PayPal, let's talk about a few things to consider. GetResponse is a solid tool for email marketing, but its PayPal integration is not as streamlined as some other platforms. If you're using GetResponse for a more complex e-commerce or subscription-based model, you may find it lacking in advanced PayPal features like automated invoice generation or deeper analytics. The thing is, there are alternatives out there that offer a much better solution if you're focused on integrating PayPal in a way that really helps scale your business. These tools offer features like one-click upsells, more flexible billing cycles, and more robust integration with PayPal, which is crucial for e-commerce. Now, before you go, let me give you a quick tip. I've partnered with some great platforms that actually handle PayPal integration better than GetResponse, and they offer a free trial too. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a special link that gets you an exclusive and extended free trial, only available to my viewers. Plus, these platforms might actually give you a better overall experience when it comes to connecting PayPal with your marketing. So if you've been struggling with PayPal and GetResponse, or if you're just looking for a more seamless option, check out the link in the description. You'll get access to not only the best trial offers, but also some tools that might actually be a better fit for your business goals. Thanks for watching!